Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing his Lioness Leeroy from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start by drawing the eyes with 2 circles. Now let's add another circle inside each one. And then color both of these in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's add a thick angled line. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the nose. Let's start with a curve across in the middle. Then a V shape underneath to form a triangle. And color the nose in black. Next, let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. We'll start with a short line down in the center, and then a curve across. Now at the ends on top, let's draw a point up on both sides for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Across the top, let's draw a curve. Then from both sides, let's curve it down and in. Then let's add a curve out. Angle it down. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, around the face, let's add the mane. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 curves going out. Then curve it back in from both sides. Now let's draw 2 more going out on the left and right. Now let's draw pointed curves all the way down on both sides. Now when you've reached the bottom, let's hop into the center and let's draw a V shape. And then connect it to both sides with the same V-shaped curves across. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw 3 curved points. And the same on the right. Now underneath, let's draw an S-shaped curve going down and bring it in towards the center. And the same for the right side of the body. Next, let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start with a short curved line down. Then let's step in and we're going to draw a wavy line up and out. Now for the bottom side of the arm, let's start back in next to the body and let's draw a curve down and then bring it up. And the same on the other side. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. From the top line, let's draw a curve down and bring it up, forming the first finger. Then add a curve inside for the nail. Now for the next finger, let's draw another curve down and in and bring it back up. And the same on the right. And again, a curve inside. Now let's draw another finger going down in the same way. Now for the next two fingers, let's draw a curved triangle shape, getting smaller as we go. And then one more angle up to close off the bottom of the hand. And lastly, for the hands, let's draw a curved triangle shape on the palm. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start on the side of the body under the arms and let's draw an S-shaped curve down on both sides. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a set of curves down, making it a little bit longer. Now let's hop back up and inside and let's draw a curve across and down. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. Next, let's move inside and draw the toenails. Let's start with an angled line and a V-shaped curve down. And let's draw 4 of these on each foot. And then let's add one last one on the outside of the front of the foot. And that's it for the feet and legs. Now let's move back up and draw the wings. Let's start on the top left, on the bottom of the head, and let's draw a curve up and out. And the same thing on the right side. Now from both sides, let's curve it down and stop under the hand. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back up into the arms. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start on the left side of the body, underneath the arm, and let's draw a curve out, and then curve it back into the foot. Now let's move inside and let's follow that same curve. Now let's hop to the other side of the leg and let's draw a wavy line across, continuing both of the lines. Now let's hop again to the right side and let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point. And when you're done, the tail should end up behind the legs. Lastly, let's draw 2 curves across the chest. Starting from the top left corner, let's curve it down to the right. And the same thing underneath. And that's it for his Lioness Leeroy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!